cover the topic now of a Freesat standard definition receiver and satellite dish kit. In this case it's a Grundig receiver. Basically anyway, I'll start off with the dish. It's exactly the same as the Sky dish. It's a Zone 2 60cm Sky dish, ideal for use in either Ireland or Scotland. Obviously a Zone 1 dish would be more suitable for the use in Wales or England, but this is aimed obviously mainly at the Irish market. Okay, I'm going to just show you that the arm here comes and simply bolted onto the wall, and then the dish is mounted on that. Okay, and what you'll do then is you run cable down to connect the dish to the box. So I'm just going to open up the actual box here itself, and you can see what we have inside. We have a SCAR cleat, we have the Freesat satellite receiver, we have a manual with some information leaflets. We have batteries, and we also have a remote control. Okay, so just briefly an overview of Freesat. Freesat is a company. It's owned by ITV and BBC. It's an alternative to Sky, offering non-subscription satellite channels. It comes with about 130 to 150 channels, depending on the particular box you go for. The number of channels is generally increasing all the time. The two big advantages of it is number one, it's a standardized box. So it comes, would say, with a set menu. They put a lot of time and effort into designing it, so it has a lot of functionality that you would associate with the Sky box in terms of subtitles, 7-day EPG, and it's a high quality, reliable box. And then the second big advantage it would have, I would feel, it would be the automatic channel updating. As a serious disadvantage with free-to-air systems has been that if there's a frequency change, or if there is an additional channel that becomes available, you have to manually tune it in. With this particular box, it doesn't. You don't have that particular problem, simply because if there's a change, Freesat will automatically update the software in your box. Now, when it comes to programming the box, it's a very simple process. What you do is you plug in the box, it comes unpre-programmed, and you simply enter your local postcode, which is obviously a very simple option for people who live in the UK. But for people, we'll say, from the Republic of Ireland who are hoping to purchase and use this box, a number of sample postcodes for the different regions of England, Scotland, Wales, and of course actually here in Ireland, in the north of Ireland, are given. So, for example, in most of the videos we shoot, and actually programming these boxes that are available on the tvtrade.ie website, you would actually have, you type in the postcode for the north would be BT11AA. So that's quite it's an easy enough code. And what happens then is the order space is about 45 or 50 seconds, and all the channels are simply automatically updated onto it. So you have a 7-day EPG, you have an information button, you can check what's in this channel and other channels without actually have to flip channels. So in that perspective, it's a relatively simple thing, and in terms of the actual installation, it's identical to putting in a free-to-air system, with the exception of the need to enter a postcode. The one piece of kit that's missing to allow you to purchase this and install it in single go is there's an option on the website on the standard definition Freesat box and dish kit to actually buy a purchase of an installation kit, which basically consists of 20 meters of satellite cable, 4 plugs and bolts which will be used to mount the dish onto the wall. There is a clip stand to clip the cable on the route from the satellite receiver, from the satellite dish to the satellite receiver, and then there's connectors here which will simply allow you to you screw this onto either end of the satellite cable, so you can just screw it onto the cable on one end and on the other end, and that's it. Once you've aligned the dish and things like that, full guidance on how to align the satellite dish, assemble a satellite dish, are all given in other videos on the tvtrade.ie website. So that's it from beginning to end. The complete standard definition Freesat receiver and satellite dish. 5